Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This evening, our cue location is at Brereton, Pavilion. Great cricketer, fast bowler, who played for the West Indies, as well as played in England. He also played in Australia. So we are at the main Daniels Pavilion. It's my pleasure to this activity. I hope that this video brings you much joy and humor its contents. Thanks again for subscribing and sharing with others. Thank you very much.
Now when I'm walking down the street, I'm just another guy, and no one's paying attention in this time passing by. But when I'm with my little girl, I'm something special in this world. The bugles play on the trumpet star. On my fingers, on the new time, in the dancing party, I don't feel the show. Lots of guys I know. But when my baby kisses me, I feel like I'm royalty. The bugles play and the trumpet start. 'Cause I'm the emperor of my fingers. Lord knows I will. Now when she says that I'm my baby's heart, Lord knows I am. I said the bugles play, oh, the trumpet start. 'Cause I'm the emperor of my baby's heart. Letters every day, but I just found out lately that she goes them all away. She don't even bother to read the things I say, so I'm gonna write just one last time, and I'll begin this way. I'll say, dear waste basket, can love you. If you see her, say I need her, like I always do. She won't read my letters, but I write to you. Dear waste basket, can one last time, and I'll begin this way. I'll say, oh, dear wastebasket, dear Mary-Lou, if you see her, say I need her, like I always do. She won't read my letters, Lord, but to you, dear wastebasket, there I'm Mary-Lou. just like a candle blown out in the wind, just like a bird that can no longer fly. I'm feeling that way sometimes, but then as I'm falling way down by the low, I picture a light at the end of the road, and closing my eyes I can see through the dark the dream that is in my heart. A little loving, a little giving, to build a dream for the world we live in. A little patience and understanding for our tomorrow. A little peace, a little sunshine, a sea of gladness to wash away all the tears of sadness. A little hoping, a little praying for our tomorrow. A little peace. I feel I'm a leaf in the November snow. I fell to the ground where there was no one below. So now I am helpless, alone with my song, just wishing the storm was gone. A little loving, a little giving, to build a dream for the world we live in. A little patience and understanding for our tomorrow. A little peace, a little sunshine, a sea of gladness to wash away all the tears of sadness. A little hoping, a little praying for our tomorrow. A little peace. We are beggars on the breeze, singing the sands of the snow. We are beggars on the breeze, singing with the winds of the sun. I could be faithful if I could only make up my mind. Oh, I gave my heart to two different loves. Now I am caught between two flames. I'm torn apart by two different loves. Why am I caught between two flames? I didn't mean to be so unfaithful or so unkind. I could be faithful if I could only make up my mind. Oh, love must be true. You can't care for two. And I'm afraid by playing games. Instead of just one, I'll end up with none. I'll end up alone between two flames. I didn't mean to be so unfaithful or so unkind. I could be faithful if I could only make up my mind. Oh, love must be true. You can't care for two. And I'm afraid by playing games. Instead of just one, I'll end up with none. I'll end up alone between two flames. Between two flames. Between two flames. DJ Wester Boom. I still love you, just like I did before. But before you smile, walk come and go on like the morning sun. I was so serious, you were having fun. Now baby, now I don't wanna cry. I don't wanna cry. No, 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 God, no more. Welcome to my lips, welcome to my arms, oh, you're welcome, my arms. Oh, you are welcome to everything I have to offer you. So come on and come
Oldie Goldies, DJ Lester Moore.
I just get a
voice on the telephone. Want you to know you should come on home. But this morning I was thinking how nice it could be. You can pack your clothes, get on the plane and slip away. Why don't you meet me in Barbados? The gathering is going on. I'm glad to say they are having fun. We are laughing and dancing, drinking and eating while we're partying. So you can come to my world, you can come today, but you can come anyway.
Sensation, hit after hit from the arms of the Grandmaster.
It's so sweet. It's Barbados, so we will meet. Enjoy the sea and sand. Welcome to my land. Let's be under the stars and dance the night away. So you can come to my world, you can come to me, but you can come anyway. Why don't you meet me in Barbados? The gathering is going on. I'm glad to say they are having fun. We are laughing and dancing, drinking and eating while we're partying. So you can come to my road, you can come to me, but you can come anyway. It's so good to hear your voice on the telephone. Want you to know you should come on home. But this morning I was thinking how nice it could be. You can pack your clothes, get on the plane and slip away. Why don't you meet me in Barbados? The gathering is going on. I'm glad to say they are having fun. We are laughing and dancing, drinking and eating while we're partying. So you can come to my world, you can come to me, but you can come anyway.
Walk it down and turn it up.
never stop me loving you. You can never stop the way that my heart's beating too. You can never stop me loving you. That's one thing you'll never do. You can take my picture off your shelf. You can go around all by yourself. You can tell the others that we're through. But darling, I know one thing you can't do. You can never stop me loving you. You can never stop the way that my heart's beating too. You can never stop me loving you. That's one thing you'll never do. But darling, I know one thing you can't do. You can never stop me loving you. You can never stop the way that my heart's beating too. You can never stop me loving you. That's one thing you'll never do. You'll never stop me loving you. That's one thing you'll never do.
That way,